You don't like being a YouTuber? I will explain why. It's because you're not supposed to be a YouTuber. You're forcing yourself. You're not doing this because you enjoy it. You're not making videos for fun. You're doing this for fame and money. That is a huge mistake. This is why most channels fail. I'm trying to grow my small channel. I'm trying to learn, and I'm sharing everything that I learn on this channel to Hustle. If you want to grow your channel, if you want to learn, this is a community of the future big YouTubers. They are all gathering here. That is what Tube Hustle is. It's a bunch of hustlers. It's a bunch of people who are hustling their way on YouTube. I am the leader of this community. My name is Mahad. I have been doing this for like around a year. I'm documenting my journey. I'm sharing everything that I learn from other big YouTubers, and I'm sharing it here, and I'm sharing it with this community of YouTubers. Tube Hustle. Welcome. We welcome people from all backgrounds. It doesn't matter where you're from. Hit that subscribe button to join this community and learn how to grow your channel. Okay, let's get back to the video. So this is why most channels fail, right? Because they don't even want to do this. People don't even want to be YouTubers. They just want fame and money. When you ask kids what they want to be when they grow up nowadays, all they say is YouTuber. That is the number one thing, YouTuber. They also want to be athletes, like football players, basketball players. They want to be teachers. They just want to copy whatever they see. They see YouTubers, they want to copy them. They see teachers and athletes, they just want to copy them. Kids just want to copy, alright? But being a YouTuber is actually something that can open such a huge career for you. It can open so many doors. Take, for example, Emma Chamberlain. She just made funny videos, right? You're just vibing with her, listening to her ranting and listening to her ranting. But on her channel, did you know what she did? She sold coffee. She sold a product, Chamberlain Coffee, and it actually made a lot of money. So you can use your YouTube to sell a product. That is the best way to actually make money. That is what your YouTube video should be about. You should be able to sell a product on there. You solve a problem for your viewers. Whether that problem is something related to their health, to them making money, gaining knowledge, actually even just entertaining them. You are providing value to them. That is why everybody wants to be a YouTuber. Everybody wants to be an influencer, Instagram influencer, TikTok influencer. This is something that has come out in recent years, and it does give you freedom. You can actually get a part-time income, maybe even a full income alongside your day job that you're normally doing. You might not even enjoy your day job. You might just be doing that for money, and your YouTube might be something that you actually enjoy and you are passionate about, and that might even generate you more money than you can ever dreamed of, even more than your day job. That would be amazing, and that is actually possible nowadays. So keep growing your channel, keep learning. I see you out there. I'm looking at this camera right now, and I know you're there. I feel like I am present with you. It's kind of like I can't explain it. I feel like I'm connected with my audience. I know you want to grow your channel. I know you want to get more views and subscribers. I know you want to learn and how to actually do this, but you have to be patient. Take your time with this and see whatever knowledge we are sharing in this community of Tube Hustle and apply it to your channel. One of the things that I am trying to apply to my channel is making better stories. Because if you make a good story, then people watch till the end. The video follows an actual structure. People watch it. And if people watch it, then what happens? The video goes viral. So that is something that I am trying to implement on my channel right here. Let me know down in the comment section below if you are using storytelling in your videos. I read all of your comments, by the way. YouTube is the best place to be. Don't give up on your channel. Keep going, keep learning, keep improving. Take what works, create, adjust, analyze, repeat. Create, adjust, analyze, repeat. See what works on your channel and keep improving it. Keep making changes in your direction every time you see something that works, every time you realize something that works. YouTube is amazing. Every business nowadays should have a YouTube channel. They should have a presence here because this allows them to create a genuine, authentic connection with the audience. You make a community, you develop that parasocial relationship, you solve problems for your viewers, you provide value, and they become loyal. This provides brand loyalty. This is the creme de la creme. This is the best of the best. This is why all of these retail companies like Pretty Little Liars and JD Sports and Foot Asylum and all of these, they are hiring YouTubers to go on their channels so they can get more views and so they can draw in more subscribers and views. It actually helps. Every company wants to be on YouTube right now. So start your YouTube channel as a business. Don't just do it randomly. Have like a structure that you can follow. Learn everything from my channel. I'm gathering all of the knowledge that I find. My channel is kind of like a knowledge bank for YouTubers. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join this community. You are all welcome to join. So if you don't like being a YouTuber, it's because you weren't supposed to be a YouTuber, because you don't enjoy it. This is not something that you enjoy. Do something that you would do for fun. Do something that you would do anyway, and then make that your side hustle. Make that your income source. I don't know, maybe you're supposed to create websites or do e-commerce or become a gaming streamer or something. But if you don't like doing YouTube, then don't force yourself to do this. Don't waste time, okay? Do something that you enjoy. Do something that is your passion, okay? And get really good at it. Something which is your passion, but is also something that you can get money from, and something that you enjoy, and something that you are good at. Those 3 things, okay? And something that you enjoy. Something that you're passionate about, something that you get paid for, and something that you are good at. So this is Mahal from TubeHustle here. I hope this video has helped you out so far. I have also made another video that can explain to you how this YouTuber actually made money after getting a lot of views. He made over $200,000 per month. Find out how he did that in this video that I have made for you right here.